2 times 7 plus 4 to the power of 2. What's the answer? How do you calculate it? How do you know whether you should multiply first, add first, or go to the exponent? Your high school rule, PEMDAS, probably comes to mind, and that's what you use to resolve this, right? Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Salesforce has its own PEMDAS. If you know the save order of execution, you can get to the right answer. Without knowledge of the right answer, you would not know, does the workflow rule come first, or is it the process builder, or is the escalation rule, or is the case assignment rule, or is the trigger, after trigger, what is it? So many possibilities. That's why if you know and understand the save order execution, you'll know why the before triggers show up before custom validation rules on the debug logs. It's kind of hard to remember Salesforce's save order executions because there are so many of them. There are 13, and there is no good acronym to remember this very easily, like there is one for PEMDAS. But you have access to Google. You can easily find it within a few seconds. So, just as in math, you used PEMDAS to calculate, in Salesforce we have the save order execution. It's very important you try to understand this concept. To ensure that you understand the concept of save order execution, I challenge you to do 2 things. First, explain to 2 of your colleagues what is save order execution. The more you explain it, the better. You'll be forced to understand it, and the questions that your friends, your colleagues will give you will force you to better. The second thing I challenge you to do is, next time you look at a debug log, look at the order in which you see the triggers, the custom validation rules, the process builders, workflow rule. All of this shows up in the order of save order execution. Alright, that was your 5 minutes of knowledge from Salesforce Chef. I hope you liked this series. Go out there, explain it to someone else, and like this button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment or a question. Thank you so much. Have a great day.